Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Steffanies Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanies Journey. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another Misfits unboxing. I got a big old box today because I ordered a watermelon. I think that's the only thing I ordered extra, I believe. I think, I don't know. If you like my shirt, click below. I'll link you to where you can purchase these out of my shop. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Misfits box, then stick around and stay tuned. Let me change the camera angle. Okay guys, let's open up the box. See what we got in here this week. They delivered it on the right day today, so it didn't sit outside and get ants in it like last week. Let's see if I have it on the right side. Pull the sticker off first. My contact information, and it don't matter because I got this stuff, whatever this mess is. Alrighty. Ooh, it's still frozen. Got ice in it. Not all the way frozen, but it still got some ice in it. So I ordered some more dino kale this week. I ordered some broccolini. They call it, what they call it, sweet baby broccoli, but it's called broccolini too. So ordered that. I purchased these mushrooms. Oh, so I must have got mushrooms and a watermelon. So I got some mushrooms, and then here is my watermelon that I ordered. That's a nice size. It's very heavy. So those are the two things I ordered. I got two broccolinis. I don't think I purchased these. Maybe I purchased them since I got two, but maybe not. I don't know. But I got two of those. This is a cauliflower. I saw this. I went to that market. If anybody's ever been to San Francisco, they have this market downtown. They sell all this fruit. In front of it, they have this golden pea. Okay, my mic went out on this video, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover for this. But this is some Romanesco cauliflower. I saw this when I went to, where was it, Seattle, and I went to that little farmer's market that's downtown with the little golden pig outside. I saw it. I never had seen it before. I think there it was purple instead of green, but I always wanted to try it, and since they had it on the site, I picked it up so I can see what it looks like, and hopefully it tastes the same. I may do a video on it so I can let you guys know what it actually tastes like and if it tastes similar to just regular old cauliflower. So we'll see. Okay, I also got this eggplant. I ordered this. Got a little hole there. And I got two big black plums. They are bigger than normally what they usually send me, so that is wonderful. I got a yellow and a zucchini squash. They sent me one of each. Usually the zucchini is bigger, but the yellow squash is bigger this time, so that's enough for just, one person, maybe two. I got these loose carrots, and I did order these, so I will use these and bake them or something. Then now I ordered this head of red cabbage. This is a very, very small head. Usually they're much bigger than this, just enough for one person. Maybe you can make some slaw or something out of that. And I ordered some sweet potatoes. I haven't seen any sweet potatoes quite this small from a box. I thought they would be bigger. So I guess they're like the fingerling potatoes. I don't know. So, and some of them are super small. So I don't know what I would do with these. I have to, I guess, look at a video and see what you do with these little small fingerlings. Maybe I candy them or something. Just not sure what to do with them. Really, but we'll figure it out. If anybody knows and you've eaten these, comment below and let me know how you cook them, and maybe I can use your recipe if I haven't already cooked them as I cook them. So anyways, that is that. But, you know, they sent me a bunch of them, and I'm going to eat them. I'm sure they taste the same as any other sweet potatoes. I put some cinnamon and stuff on them and just bake them in the oven. So, have those. Yeah, it's a few more down there in the bottom. And, yeah, a couple more. So, and I also ordered some red onions, which I like onions. I love them. I put them in just about everything. And now I'm just finding the documents that they usually send in the box with the recipe and stuff. So now I put all this stuff back in here, and as usual, let you guys see exactly everything that I got. And I'll put up on the screen and let you guys see. Here goes the video. It's a mango. I can't see it on the screen now. Mango, some kind of mango sorbet. So if you guys want to try this out yourself, let me get it up to the screen so you can see it. And you can screenshot it. There we go. So, yeah, screenshot that. And then this is the rest of the recipe here on the back. Screenshot that. It's upside down, but screenshot it, and then you can, I can't ever get it to focus. There we go. You can screenshot that and then finish off the recipe. So that is it. I'll try to put a picture in there if I remember to. I have to go back downstairs and get it. But they have muscadine grapes now that they're going to be selling for $4.99. So that's a good thing. So, yeah. That is it. Alright guys, this is everything I got. I ordered a watermelon and some mushrooms. I got some fingerling sweet potatoes. I got an eggplant. I got some type of cauliflower. I don't know the real name of it. I put it on the screen here somewhere. I got one zucchini, one yellow squash, 2 big plums, a small head of red cabbage, 2 red onions, some carrots, 2 things of broccolini, and then 1 small little thing of dino kale, which I'm going to saute and eat it like spinach. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a good box. Nothing in the box is bad today. So I'm excited about that. Nothing. We don't have anything that's rotten or too soft. Even my plums are nice and firm. So yeah, just little small sweet potatoes. And I guess I'll make them candied or something. I don't know. But thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.